Hi there, John here from Romania and welcome back to my channel where you can learn everyday ways to make money online. Today I am going to show you a site where you can make money very easy and very fast, maybe for some other idea from my channel where you need some money to start. But before I start to show you the site and explain to you how it works, be sure to hit that like button, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. This way I know the video I bring to you have value and I can make more video just like this one. Pay attention up in the right corner to see another ways to make money. Let's get into the site and show you how it is look like and how you can make $300 easy for today, and after that it will be another passive income for you. For those who do not know what passive income is, let me explain to you very fast. It is a way to make money where you work just once when you set up the business, and after that money will come to you when you sleep, when you eat, when you are in holiday and so on. The great part in this is that you can make multiple way of passive income, and after that you just need to check your PayPal account. This is the site and let me explain to you how you can make money fast. First we go and click the task wall, and here we have more option to work with. You can download an antivirus. You can download game for play. You do not need to play with it if you do not want to. Just keep the 10 minutes on your phone. There is more task. Every task it is paid with $30. You create a Facebook post how they ask you to do and get $50 immediately. You create an Instagram post and get $50 immediately. You create a simple video for Snapchat and here is another $50. Pay attention up in the right corner to see another ways to make money. And create a short TikTok video and you have another $50. I have a YouTube channel so I take another $50. So this is how you can make $300 today, and after that go to refer and earn and you make passive income from this. I am going to show you now a site that I was talking about few days ago so you can see my money. So here I am in first site and I have here $205 that I have made passive on. Every day I make like $25 or $30 without doing anything. Here it is another one, I have $355 passive money in few days. Let me refresh both this page so you can see it real. It is the same idea with the site that I talked about today. Pay attention up in the right corner to see another ways to make money. So here is the most important thing. Please support me with a like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. This way you can help me grow my YouTube channel and you will learn every day how to make money online fast and easy so you can start a real business. Thank you very much. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard, and you can find me on Facebook too under the same brand name. John here from Romania every day. I wish you all best of luck.